So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create the pie charts instantly for your video projects or your online projects without using any software and even without using the Excel. Now, in order to do it, just simply open any of the Google Chrome browser or any browser you have. Now here you have to search for Meta chart.com. Once you do that, just simply hit enter and wait for the site to respond. Once the site respond, you can see a website this which says a pie chart. Just simply go over there, and here you can customize the pie chart values you want. Once you are done with it, just simply go and enter your data and enter the labels for the data, and after all your process, your final chart will generate right here that you can download and use anywhere you want. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.